Bullish Cyclone Money cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $29.34 and $63.90 by 2030. Market experts accept Torn could reach $29.34 by 2025. Bearish Twister Money market cost expectation for 2022 is $5.22. Twister Money presentation. The blockchain record, which contains the record of the relative multitude of exchanges that have at any point been directed on an organization, is one of the huge highlights of a digital money resource and is noticeable to each blockchain client. Starting from the formation of the blockchain, it has been showcased as private and mysterious. The peculiarity cannot be applied in that frame of mind, as wallet tends to under pseudonymous names can in any case be followed back to the proprietors in the event of an examination. As per examination into the feasibility of the protection component of Bitcoin, discoveries showed that even in advanced coins explicitly intended to further develop obscurity and security, it is as yet conceivable to follow assets as it is moved to new holders. What's more, at times, to de-anonymize the clients completely. At the end of the day, in the event that signs are left over to match one's personality to a wallet address, clients' crypto resources can be followed by others or firms. Security coins like Zcash or Monero are one method for keeping the hidden element of the digital currency alive through keeping up with encryption. Notwithstanding, with such countless finances previously contributed across the market, there are improved answers for guarantee online exchanges stay secure and private, like Twister Money. In this aid, we will assess the Twister Money organization and the mining highlights that drive the Cyclone Money cost increment and the ascent in exchanging volume. We will likewise examine the cost expectation conjecture that features the normal least cost esteem, normal exchanging cost, and most extreme cost esteem. What is Twister Money? Twister Money is a non-custodial and permissionless security answer for the Ethereum blockchain worked with ZK's and ARK's innovation. The convention empowers the clients to break a connection in on-bind action to further develop exchange protection between the beneficiary and objective location. Being a mind-boggling symbolic blender, Cyclone Money carries out the utilization of shrewd agreements that help stores made in Ether that are then removed to other agreement addresses. Following the first shipper's personality is troublesome since the said withdrawal is produced using the liquidity pools of the task-savvy contract. Twister Money creates a mystery hash each time an organization client stores resources for the convention. Through a cycle known as responsibility, Torn-savvy contracts acknowledge the store alongside the hash. The motivation behind the responsibility is to distinguish the first shipper and demonstrate during the withdrawal interaction that the client, guaranteeing the resource, for sure possesses the resources. The client affirms their personality while staying unknown on-chain to every other person by contributing the on-chain hash after making the solicitation. Secrecy mining is one more progressive element presented by Twister Money that boosts clients who support the stage's protection highlights by giving liquidity. Twister Money executes protection even during the time spent secrecy mining by synchronizing a two-stage safeguarded liquidity mining framework. Subsequent to storing resources for the symbolic blender, clients gain secrecy focuses into an extraordinary record called a safeguarded account. This one-of-a-kind record is profoundly private as it doesn't uncover anything about the client's equilibrium, wallet address, or other individual data. At the point when the expected number of obscurity focuses is reached, the client can trade the AP for Torn tokens through Twister Money's specially computerized market creator. Secrecy focuses must be guaranteed on Cyclone Money notice that have proactively been spent by the organization clients. During the guaranteeing system, the client is expected to produce zero information confirmation on the stage that ascertains the AP as per the number of blocks the said client's note that has passed. The determined sum is then added to the protected record's equilibrium. Twister Money current cost. Twister Money is at present worth $6.52 USD. Torn has moved 2.96% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,969,462. Twister Money is at present positioned 838 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $7,170,808 USD. Cyclone Money Value Forecast 2022. Cyclone Money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Torn cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $9.78. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $9.13 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headway. Torn is supposed to have a base worth of $7.82. Cyclone Money Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Cyclone Money Torn cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Torn will before long outperform $16.30. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Torn's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Torn will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $13.04 and a typical exchanging cost of $14.34. Cyclone Money Value Forecast 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $22.82 and Torn may benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. Torn is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $20.86 and a low of $19.56 in 2024. Twister Money Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Twister Money effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Torn coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Torn will be green in 2025. The Torn is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $29.34, with a base cost of $26.08 and a typical cost of $27.38. Cyclone Money Value Forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Torn cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $33.90 by 2026, with a base cost of $32.60 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Torn has a most extreme value worth of $35.86. Cyclone Money Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $40.42 whenever Torn figures out how to break the safe level in 2027. We could see a greatest cost of $42.38. Neglecting to assemble the help Torn needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $39.12. Twister Money Value Expectation 2028. While Torn is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $45.64 and a yearly cost close above $48.90 in 2028. Cyclone Money Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Cyclone Money will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $52.16 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $55.42, averaging out at $53.47. From all signs, financial backers can see that Twister Money will continue in the strides of Zcash and Monero. These conventions are essentially as significant as their clients consider their protection, in spite of the fact that it appears to be that the vast majority focus on effortlessness and accommodation over secrecy. Thusly, the Cyclone Money token will cook more to a space of clients who focus on their web-based security more than comfort. Nonetheless, as by and large crypto reception builds, that client base is likewise expected to extend, drive